Can we just turn that light off? Alright, thank you. Not that light, you liptard.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway. Have you ever wanted to see 5 grown men fight over a microwave on Mario Sluggers? What? Well, guess what? That's happening here, and oh my gosh, you guys are gonna be in there for a big one. And these are the 5 teams that will be going against each other to try to win the microwave. We have the Noegs, which are Baby Mario, Baby Luigi, and most of all, Yoshi. And for the Deck Sox, they have Toadette, Green Noki, and Birdo, and I like to own this little one, Luigi. And then for the Gamblers, they have Daisy, Baby Bowser, known as Junior, and Bowser. Anyways, then we have for the Stinkers, they have Blue Critter, Waluigi, Wiggler, and Mario. And then for the Landonians, the people that won from last year, we have Princess Peach, Wario, Petey, and El Phantasma, also known as King Boo. Alright guys, and though I told you the teams, you're probably still wondering behind that screen of yours. I wonder what's on everyone's team besides all the good people, the stars. I want to see the rookies. I want to be like, yeah, I was a fan of them when they were an underdog. Okay, I'll give it to you guys. Don't worry. Here it is. I will read it off. So here, a 12-man roster, 3 starting pitchers for the Noegs. We have number 30, Yoshi. Number 24, Baby Mario. Number 50, Paragoomba. Number 99, Purple Toad. Number 19, Baby Luigi. Number 0, Light Blue Yoshi. Number 8, Red Yoshi, also known as De La Yoshi. I love that guy. Number 7, Baby DK. Number 25, The Red Me. And then number 56, Dark Bones. Number 63, Red Toad. Number 13, Red Pianta. And then for the starting rotation for pitching, it will be Baby Mario, Baby Luigi, and Paragoomba. And then for the Deck Sox, I'm sorry to say, but some of these guys do not have a number at the moment. Only 2 of them seem to have a number. So I will just read them off as a name, but the ones that have a number, of course, I'll bring it up. So we have Birdo, number 25, Luigi, Green Toad, Baby Daisy, Toadette, Green Noki, the right field merchant, Green Shy Guy, Yellow Peon, and the Green. Also, Green Critter, number 1, Toadsworth, and Green Dry Bones. And for their starting pitching, it will be Birdo, Luigi, and Toadsworth. And then for the Stinkers, we have number 1, Mario. Then we have number 7, the villain, the best reliever in the game, Waluigi, the villain. And we have number 5, Wiggler. We have number 47, Eat Ham. And number 4, Boomerang Bro. Number 33, the Blue Critter. Number 30, Dark Blue Yoshi. Number 21, Blue Pianta. Number 2, Blue Toad. Blue Dry Bones is number 85. No reason why I should bring that up. Number 18, Baby Peach. And number 0-0. That Funky Muncie, the Funky Man himself, Funky Kong. And for their starting pitching, it will be Mario, Baby Peach, and Blue Critter. And then for the Gamblers, they were called a different team last year. They did a really big rebuild this year and changed their name in the process. Sadly, these guys don't have numbers, but they will soon. So the first person is Black Shy Guy, also known as Greg, a really fan favorite for everyone. Everyone loves Greg. Nobody can hate the guy. Then we have Daisy. We have Baby Bowser, also known as Junior. Then we have Bowser. But then we have Monty Mole, Hype Fire Bro. Then we have Hammer Bro. Then we have the Brown Mies. Then we have the Brown Critter. We have Daybones. Then we have Green Cody. And then we have the Black Mies. And little fun fact, there's one man on the Black Mies that's really popular, and his jersey and his number is already retired. His name is Jack, number 42. And then for the starting pitching rotation, it will be Baby Bowser, also known as Green Cody, and then Daisy. And this is the team that won it all last year, that currently has the microwave sitting underneath their bed as they sleep. Not kidding. We have Peach, number 17. We have Wario, number 69. We have Petey Piranha, number 89. Then we have El Phantasma, King Boo, number 65. We have Blue Shy Guy, number 28. Then we have Tiny Kong, number 12. We have Boo, number 14. And Diddy, number 77. Yellow Me, most of the time will be Tatis, number 23. We have DK, number 1. Bloopy Blooper, number 7. Yellow Toad, number 11. And the starting pitcher is frog in my throat. So for our starting pitching, we will have, for our starting pitching, they will have Peach, Boo, and Blue Shy Guy. And wait, I'm honestly kind of curious of how our soccer team's going, so let's go panda that real quick.
And Mario's has the ball. It's going for a goal.
Oh my God!
Anyway, and for spring training, we had a spring training. I mean, 5 people spring training. How the hell did we do that? But we managed to do it. So this is the scores that we had for spring training. And I'm gonna have to look at this for the Noegs and Deck Sox, they both had 1 win and 3 losses. For the Stinkers, they were the best ones. They got 3 wins, but sadly they got 1 draw due to a bobble. I don't know how that really happened, but no one's perfect. Everyone's human. And then for the Gamblers, they won 2, lost 1, but they did get that tie against the Stinkers. And then for the Landonians, they went 2 for 2. Sure, they did win last year. I mean, they didn't do terrible, but they didn't do great either. So hopefully in the regular season, they do improve on that and hopefully surpass the team. We already had 2 openings. We've already had an opening series and that's against the Stinkers and the Noegs. Sadly, there's no announcing in that, and one of the videos is partially bugged, but there's nothing we can do about that. I will assure you though, the next games will have announcing and will be as taken care of as possible. Anyways, that's all I have to talk about for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
What the hell are you doing in my house?